y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamila and we do arts and crafts here. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Anyway, my parents are moving to Georgia pretty soon. So I decided to take this Dollar Tree vase and I'm going to be painting it with a mixture of paint and baking soda, kind of turning it into a nice looking faux clay vase. So stay tuned on how to do that.
Hey y'all, I also wanted to remind you to like and subscribe. So you can see that I'm just getting my ingredients out. That's the vase, and there is the baking soda that I mix with white paint. This is going to be my base layer. It'll just make it easier to put other colors on top if I start with white. I was also a little unsure of what I wanted to do color-wise, so this gave me some time. And there I'm adding a little bit of eggshell, just playing around with how much of a color I wanted. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is layering color on and using tape. But the first step is to mix colors. So yeah, I also wanted to mention that I have another gift in here. It's made for my dad, and it's just an air dry clay little project, and I'll put that in at the end. So right now I'm putting some tape on just to mark what kind of pattern I want, because I'm going to paint over this in red. couple of times that I couldn't fit what I was doing in frame, especially when I was painting near the bottom and I kind of had to hold it at a weird angle to get the paint where I wanted it. You can see me being off camera. I'm trying my best to keep it on camera, but it just wasn't working. You can see them kind of blotting it over the tape so that the tape keeps that eggshell color while putting the red on top. And I did end up layering a different shade of red over this because once it dried, it kind of looked like hot Cheetos. And that's not the vibe, but you'll see me do that. So I'm coming in now with the more classy dark red as opposed to that bright hot Cheeto color. And yeah, and you'll see them using the baking soda for every step just to keep up that terracotta look. So now I'm just going through and I'm picking out the pieces of tape that I had put on there. And you can see that that's revealing the color underneath the red, so the first layer that we put on there. Final step, I'm just going through and I am fixing up the little places with a little brush just to sometimes the edges weren't as clear as I like, so I'm just doing little touch-ups here. the second present for my parents, this one's mostly for my dad, um, I made a rectangle out of air dry clay and then put a little paper clip in the middle and attached that securely. And now I'm just coloring it in. I'm trying to do like a tin effect at the top. You'll see, but it's supposed to be like a can of Spam that holds business cards or photos or something. Um, I'm gonna give up on the marker soon and just start to paint. So here I'm trying to mix the perfect color for the Spam within the little sandwich on the logo. I'm actually going to end up painting this whole thing on a little piece of paper, just the little detail parts, and then sticking it on. So you'll see. So here I am, very zoomed in. I'm just sticking on the little piece of paper that I had painted. You can print this out, but I don't have a printer and I think it's more special painted. So there it is, I'm just sticking it on with Mod Podge. So here's the final result. I did do 2 layers of a sealant on the Spam just to keep it in place. There's the Spam. And here is the vase. 2 very different aesthetics for 2 very different rooms. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe.